turumpu asitiya gitiyat වැඩක් නැතනත්තන් කරන්න සෙල්ලමක් මං ඉල්ලමක් වුණත් ඉල්ලන්නේ එක පරයි නැතන් දාන්නේ පිල්ලමක් මම පාට කරේ මම තනියෙන් එකයි උනේ මල් ලස්සන සිත්තමක් දැන් වටින් ගොඩින් කට්ටිය කියන්නේ අද ඔබ මර චරිතයක් කොහොමද මම ගැලුවා මගේ
Flipped away. First ball. Mohamed Rohin's over. That'll race away for 4.
But short, a little bit wide, and that's nicely played. Got that away.
And then shot. Nishanga. Waited for it. Waited in middle it, but where did it get?
Pick that up as well. And that's going to go for another boundary, yeah. Solid good. That's opt for 6. The Sanka gets going.
Looking for that Rohin coming back in. The Sanka's picked it beautifully. Scooped it away over a wideish long arm / midwood.
And goes all the way in for 6. So 50 comes up 4 button the Sanka.
This man in stature packs a powerful punch.
Well, it's a tournament sprint. There's sort of exposure for him. Of course, he gets international exposure. There's so regular. Man, that kid's picked up him. Most fruit.
Circa from time. Both of them actually checking on each other. Ford has done the over. Pick that up as well. Just a little bit leg side. It's gone nice and high. How far's it gone? Far enough.
Didn't want to give him any width. Sanka held his ground, held his balance.
40 balls they've got. That's cracked as well. Found again. That's another boundary.
Racing to victory.
Wait, waited again. Plenty of time. Got that away for 4.
The scene in this Patum Sanka from Sri Lanka. Little opening batsman that plays all formats. Showing some of these